Are you looking for a lakeview property, one level, with beautiful surroundings, 100% privacy and mountain views? Then you've come to the right place. This is VillaSolutions presenting Villa del Lago, okay? And what we have here is a one level, 3-bed, 3-bath property. We've got storage, we've got water deposits, main services, septic tank, and a plot that really is very impressive. Okay, so we're overlooking Lake Vinuela, which is indeed a reservoir for Málaga. But we've got a property that I think is going to generate a lot of interest. We're looking at Mount Maroma right in front of us here, just with a little snow cap on after the rains about 2-3 days ago. And what we've got here really is a bit of a blank canvas, to be honest. We've got a very kind of nicely appointed property. Actually, there's been some upgrades. You can see the solar panels. I think it's got a 5-6 kilowatt installation there. You've got a glazed terrace. You've got an open terrace on the side here as well. The pool is in with cover, and essentially it's, you know, very private, very quiet, access just via a little bit of track. We got resin deck in here. Okay. This is a sandwich board covered terrace there to provide you nice shade directly off of the lounge side patio doors, and then around to the back of the property up to these transparenti here. Okay, we've got there again stone wall, AC units external at the back, and this has got a rental license in place, and also you know, I think, you know, it's going to probably be sold fully furnished. Okay, so let's just take a look now from the pool end. Again, that is quite a view now. With the rains that we've had this last 4 or 5 weeks, you've got excellent enhanced lake views. Again, just kind of all the way around the plot. You can see there's an inverter machine there for the pool to be heated. Small little kind of jacuzzi area, seating area. The cover is in there, and then you've got the pump within the green box just here. The plot, I just want to show you, it's all actually quite nice usable land. So there's your septic tank pipe there, but there's an arroyo, which is a watercourse where the stones are. That's the side of the plot. Okay, and it goes down to that bottom corner, way past this eucalyptus tree, and then pretty much down to the neighbouring house, which is built by the same builder along this line here. Okay, so Villa del Lago, I think, is gonna impress a lot of our buyers. So let's take a look inside. Yeah, very lucky to have this opportunity to list such a property in such a prominent location. So here we've got a glazed covered terrace, okay, whereby, again, look at that view. No one's going to take that view away, guys. You've got mountain, lake, uninterrupted, okay. Through the main front door, okay, that's solid, nice security door there, into what is like a open plan hallway, where we have the kitchen. This is the original kitchen, you can tell. Okay, but again, it's all fully functional. It was actually very good quality. There's your view from the kitchen sink, which is really not too bad. Double glazed windows throughout as well, and fly screens and shutters. Integrated fridge freezers, dishwasher integrated, oven, gas hob, and then you got that nice archway, both archways actually leading into the lounge area. Separate utility. Okay, so we're on the gas, hot water there. That's a relatively new boiler, washing machine, and second sink. There's the gas bottles. And then through, excuse the bucket, through into what is a really nice double aspect lounge with gas fire in the corner here. And then again, these views, literally from the sat on your sofa, that's what you're looking at. And then from this side, that's not too bad either, not too shabby. Okay, so again, extra large AC unit, that probably needs an update, but yeah, it will function. But yeah, very nice. It's just been repainted inside. So the nice archways. Furniture will probably be negotiable on this one, but it's been a great rental, and we can obviously send you those details upon inquiry. Okay, so this is the covered terrace. So you've got kind of, yeah, beautiful kind of wooden pergola there with the wooden beams and the sandwich board top. Okay, and again, what a view. So pool, lake, mountain, and privacy. There's no road noise down here, guys. Say a very short track. They've just done the main access with concrete and tarmac. But yeah, we're talking with a little bit more landscaping, I think, at the front here. We're talking a prime property. Okay, so let's now do the bedrooms and sleeping space. Okay, so let's start off on this right hand side here. So this is a nice double room whereby, again, it's all been slightly modified actually, these two bathrooms, or shower rooms should I say. So you've got nice glass screens in, retiled, repainted, new loos. Yeah, I mean that's all up to date. There's original wardrobes. That's a relatively new AC unit. Fans as well, but again, lovely views from the double glazed windows. This one is a general shower room and toilet. Again, quite impressive. Okay, and then bedroom number 2. This is the middle room. AC. Fitted wardrobes in all 3 bedrooms. Fan. You know, typical rental. It's nice and minimalistic, and then this is the main master bedroom, let's say, whereby you've got more fitted wardrobes, original AC unit. Nice and light and bright. The flooring, you could redo that very simply and easily. And then this is the original bathroom with bidet, full-size bath, loo and sink. Okay, so there we have it, guys. This is Villa del Lago, and the clue is in the name, I guess. It's the Lakeview Villa. Okay, and if you want further details or indeed a viewing on this very prime property for Vinuela area, then contact us directly on 0034 696 522171, or indeed via our website at VillaSolutions.net. Thank you.